Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, August 23rd, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on gold versus the dollar, I still think this move down is a crescent, and I still think we're going to go up, most likely break out of these highs. Possibly it's still a wave 5, or possibly it's just a subdivision of a much larger uptrend. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think that this move down is an ABC crescent, but I don't think the crescent is over. I still think it's going to go down to at least a 78%, maybe even the 88% to finish off this crescent before it potentially ends up continuing the uptrend. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I think this is a 1, 2, 3. We're probably in a wave 4 that's going to go down again for a wave 5. Or possibly it's just a subdivision of a trend that's going to end up extending out like this. But either way, I think it's going to go down to one of these lower fib levels to potentially finish a wave C before we really get that break of structure to the upside that's going to confirm that this move down is over and that we're back into an uptrend. So let's take that information down to the 4 hour time frame. So 4 hour time frame, we do have a break of structure right here, but it still isn't really holding above structure. The dollar does look like it is trying to go up too, so if you see an impulsive move down, especially if it engulfs some of these candles, I would definitely take that as a short because this trend to me is still down, and I still think that we may get more movement to the downside. So let's head down to the 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour time frame, like I said, we do have a break of structure, but it really isn't holding above structure. And I still think that this move looks very, very overlapping, very, very corrective. So if I see an impulsive move down, if I start seeing some breaks of structure, I would definitely take that as a sorting opportunity. Like I said, I think that the very high time frames are still in a much larger trend to the downside that is most likely not over. So if I do see breaks of structure to the downside, I will take that as a short, and I will definitely be looking for pullback entries on the way down for the continuation of this downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.